Na kaliang katnat jonga textile sorkar jonga Meghalaya kalarakhe ya ka handloom de menhenin kasni ka hnyau tarik unailar ar hajar ar pheulai harengkat ka jinga trailang ka National Institute of Fashion Technology Ministry of Textile Government of India ha kane ka jingrakhe u Honorable Minister of Textile Government of Meghalaya ba Paul Lengdo ubalong kumukongsan ha kane kasni bat usembut kongsan ba Meral Bons im u MLA jong kanongpo constituency ubalong ru chairman jong ka health advisory board jong ka jilla harengkat ka jingdon lang u president jong ka Meghalaya Handloom ba PS mung ba Frederick Kharkongor bat kiwei ha kane kasni la ai khusnam ya kinong thaiñ jain bat la panlait paj ba ru ya ka textile map jong ka jilla.
On this National Handloom Day, symbol of society, along with Meghalaya's household name and folk fusion outfit, Somersault will take you to the beautiful journey of India and its ancient story of weaving. Riboy district in Meghalaya is one of the main regions where eri culture and handloom weaving is practiced, particularly in the village of Diwan, which was declared as the state's first eri silk village on the 12th of February 2021. A fabric with 1,000 years of history, eri silk, popularly known as pea silk, is synonymous with the state of Meghalaya. The word Rindia is the local name for the castor leaves that the silkworm feed on. Here, the women folk have kept the centuries-old art of weaving alive and have transformed the village into a hub for organic silk and other fabrics of different designs, colors, and utilities. Natural dyes from natural resources available in the surroundings used for eri silk is an heirloom knowledge that has been passed down from generations. Ladies and gentlemen, Rindia, the brand, has been built on 3 pillars, namely nature, heritage, and luxury. Eri silk production in Meghalaya is a rural lifestyle occupation, making Rindia 100% made in Meghalaya with the artisans engaged in the entire journey. With sustainable impact on the economy, culture, and environment. It has provided livelihood opportunities, preserved traditional crafts, promoted sustainable practices, expanded markets, and contributed to tourism development. The Design, Innovation and Resource Center, DIRC, is set up to act as a medium for weavers to innovate, record, and share information on new techniques and processes. It will be a one-stop center for weavers, dyers, researchers, aspiring learners to come together to discover and learn the rich textile traditions of the state. The Department of Textile, Government of Meghalaya, through Rindia, aims to promote local weavers and provide a platform to showcase their products. Today, symbol of society, along with Somersault, shall show you the live glimpse of Diwan in NIFT and the process of farm to fiber, fiber to fabric, thread to trend, through the ancient story of weaving.
We give you Rindia. Tus ngabhani do chebet sehok lukai kana bangacha song pan ha ka pun di ha ka ro kam pa deng uk sai jong ka jin yen
in your villages. And today at the exhibition, while going to the various stalls, I encountered a particular gentleman, I think about James, who has gone international, whose products have reached Europe. And what else? The sky is the limit for us. There are more success stories that we can script, should script, and I certainly take it upon myself to lead from the front and ensure that this map is not only to be displayed here at NIFT, this map will become a global map one day. It will be recognized by the rest of the world. But today it's not only the hand that rocks the cradle, it's also the hand that weaves will rule the world. Let us keep that as an aspiration for this Department of Textiles, that the hands that move these spinning wheels will one day rule the world. In a couple of months from now, all our products will be showcased at Milan, Italy, the fashion capital of Europe. It's going to be a huge statement on the part of Meghalaya, a state that till today has this paradox of being a rich land inhabited largely by the poor. This need not be the destiny of Meghalaya. we have to transform this paradox into a success story. Meghalaya has it. We have it in us. Listen to the music that we produce. Look at the craft. Look at how we've come from where we were. I'm amazed at the talent that we have. And therefore, together, let us be part of this success story. We are too fond of complaining. We are too fond of cribbing. Let us transform the complaining. There is a saying, if you're not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem. If you are not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem.
By the state government, initiative taken by the central government through the Ministry of Textile for the continuous support to uplift the weavers within the state who are representing different culture, identity of our state. We cannot deny the fact that we have been blessed as a state. We have a beautiful constitution that has been drafted up, where we have the 6th schedule to empower the traditional heads. We have the authority upon the soil, the customary law that we have, and many issues with regard protection for the indigenous people of our state. And we are happy to see that as a state, we have a 3 autonomous district council, the Jain Hills Autonomous Council, the Khas Hill Autonomous District Council, and the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And as a citizen of the state, where most of the part of our state is under scheduled land, and this goes hand in hand at the same time to promote the culture identity through different Rambashtam, the Nokuma, the Hima, district council that we have.